Hello everyone, welcome to Noble Architects Consult. In this video, I'm going to show you how to export Revit file to PDF. At the end of this video, you'll learn how to create multiple views with just Revit. I'll show you how to export it in both newer version of Revit and the older version. Let's go ahead with the newer version. Click on File, Export, click on PDF. This is the default view. You can use this if you want to convert only this view. You can use this one if you want to convert a crop section in your view. And the third one, the selected views. If you want to create multiple pages, you can use this. Click on edit. Here is where you select the sheet you want to combine. Select the floor plan, upper floor, roof. When you're done, click on select. This is the file name. You can edit it, and here is the location you want to save the PDF to. You can browse other locations in your computer. And here is another important one, the sheet size. We have A4, A3, A2, A1 and other sizes. Let's select A3. If you want it to fit in to your A3 paper size with a little space, just like this, you need to click zoom. Just leave it like this. And here is the orientation. You can always leave it in automatic. Revit will take care of that. Now the appearance and the quality, we have the high, medium, low, but I leave it at the high. Now the color, if you need a grayscale just or black lines, you can select it, but I want to print in color. And here you can hide the scope box, hide crop boundaries, replace halftone with lines. Just leave this part at the default. Go ahead and export. If you want to save those sheets you selected, you can go ahead and save it here. Click yes, let's save it. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up. All the sheets are meshed together. You can as well click here PDF to export it, just the same way with clicking here. Now if you are using older version of Revit, you won't see this feature. So what you have to do is to Ctrl P to print. I use Nitro PDF Creator. You can use any PDF reader of your choice. It's the same thing here. You can combine multiple selected views, or you create separate views. So let's go ahead with this. Here you can change the location. Here, right here, you can merge the whole file together just the same way we did, or you can print separate pages. Here you can change the file location where you want to save the PDF. You can as well adjust it here. And here, if you are printing this current view, you use the current window. The visible portion, just like as I explained earlier, you can print a crop section, and here you can select views the same way we did, the same views we selected here. Close it. Now head over to setup. Here you select the paper size. We're gonna use A3. The orientation is landscape already. You can use vector or raster processing. The quality, you still leave it at high. The color, if you want a black and white, you can change it here, but I'm printing with colors. Then when you are done, click OK. Now click OK again. Here you need to click combine multiple views if you want to merge it together. Then Click OK. Save it. If you have any question or contribution to make, please drop it in the comments section below. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching.